I'm Nikki Priestley, physiotherapist and founder of Physio2Live, Colchester. At Physio2Live, we offer a specialised gait analysis service, providing a long-term solution to foot and lower limb pain with Phits 3D printed custom insoles. The RS Footscan is the most accurate pressure plate on the market, as used by Nike to design footwear and elite athletes such as Paula Radcliffe and Sir Mo Farah. This cutting-edge technology allows our expert Phits certified clinicians to accurately determine how your foot functions dynamically when walking or running. Footscan will map the precise movement of your foot from heel strike to the point where your foot leaves the ground. This gives us an incredible in-depth understanding about your foot mechanics, which are not visible to the human eye. This information will be provided in a full report along with our clinical recommendations. In contrast to traditional casted insoles from a static foot impression, the Phits prescription is specifically designed using your dynamic Footscan data, allowing us to cater for even the smallest asymmetries or abnormalities in your gait cycle. Phits are lightweight, super strong and hard wearing. They assist with the comfort and control of your feet, whether you are recreationally active or a professional athlete. We are passionate about injury prevention and providing you with a long-term solution to your pain via our unique approach. Our specialist chartered physiotherapists are here to meet your individual needs and goals, helping you live life to the full. To learn more or book in for a Footscan assessment, please visit www.physio2live.com.